Namaste people, welcome to Plenty Sassy, it's Nilima. So we just became a family of 15,000 people. So I want to welcome all the new subscribers and viewers. Thank you for joining in. And also a huge thank you to all of you for your lovely comments and feedback that is helping me to grow and improve my channel. Coming on to today's video, so Raksha Bandhan is around the corner and I wanted to buy some ethnic clothes for that. So I found this website called indiarush.com. Now this website was always there in the suggested ads in my Facebook feed, and the kind of products they had for the price that they're offering is very cheap and affordable. And I got very curious, so I thought let's experiment, let's order a few stuff from there and find out what kind of products they actually have. Is the quality worth buying? So this is what today's video is all about. So first I'll be showing you what I got. I have created a mini lookbook for that, and then I'll be doing a quick review of all the products. So let's get started. What I got, now I'll be reviewing them. I ordered more of the casual Indo-Western kind of things because I end up wearing them more rather than the heavy ethnic dresses. Now coming on to the first piece is this orange kurta. This one actually has a tie and dye pattern, and tie and dye pattern is very trendy right now. This one looks exactly like as shown in the picture. In fact, I would say this one is actually more brighter than that shown on the website. So that's a plus point. Now the material of this is high quality cotton blend, and it is an anti-wrinkle cotton, so that's also a plus point. Going on to the fit, it fitted me really nicely. I had to get this little altered. Overall, it's a thumbs up. Now the second one is this magenta shirt. Now this actually has nothing to do with ethnic, but I think this one will go with all kinds of Indian bottoms like patiala salwar, dhoti salwar, even a lehenga. So I ordered this one. It fits really nice, it has a great material, and the color is very bright. So thumbs up to this one too. Now the third piece is this multicolor palazzo. Now it also has a tie and dye print. Since it is multicolor, I will have lots of options to pair it up with. It fits really nice, and this width of the bottom is kind of a full skirt, so that's a plus. Also, the material of it is a very high quality cotton blend. It's again wrinkle free cotton, so that's also a plus. So this product again gets a big thumbs up from my side. Now coming on to the fourth product is this skirt or lehenga. It's not exactly skirt and not exactly a lehenga. It's Indo-Western kind of piece. Now I would say it looks exactly like the picture. The colors of this are very bright. It fits the way it is supposed to fit. It has a very bouncy fall, so that's a plus. But the only off thing about this piece is the material of it. It is a synthetic material, so So when I saw this product, I assumed that it would be cotton. So make sure you check the material when you're ordering anything. I was checking the size of it and I forgot to check the material with which it is made up of. So this, I would say, is a thumbs down, but I would still suggest you check out the lehengas on this website. They have prettiest lehenga on a very affordable price, but make sure to check the material before ordering. Now coming on to the last piece are these dhoti pants. Now this one was a complete surprise because honestly, when at the time of ordering, I thought these detailings were printed, but these are actually embroidered, and the material of it is very high quality cotton blend. It is again non-wrinkle material, so that's a plus. Detailings and the embroidery plus. And it fits very nicely, so that's also a plus. But I need something perfect to pair this thing up, so maybe I'm going to buy a crop top or a long slit kurti for that. But yeah, this one is a big thumbs up. So on an average, I would say indiarush.com gets a thumbs up from my side. So you can go ahead and check out. They have an awesome Raksha Bandhan collection as well. All the prices for all the products are mentioned in the description box below. indiarush.com, they also have a YouTube channel which has lots of how to style and lookbook videos. You can also check out their channel and subscribe if you like. Thank you guys for watching this. That was it for today's video. Also, let me know in the comments section below if you want more such videos on me reviewing different fashion websites. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification every time I post a new video.